Hi everyone, my name is Andem Kunu and I've been working at Caprisa as a research assistant for about a year now, and I've done a lot of Power BI dashboards. Now we've done quite a few things being with COVID, and I did a lot of supportive work with HR and finance. And today I'm going to give you top 5 design tips to make your Power BI dashboards much better. So here's the COVID dashboard that I've done. It's comprised of 4 reports, but for the purposes of this video, we are only going to focus on the SA COVID data that you see here. Design tip number 1 is keeping your filters and performance-based metrics together. Now as you can see on the left hand side, I've got a province filter here, and I've got a date slicer. Now that's used to investigate certain periods that you are interested in. Now as you can see, just as I did that, the color changed. That's because what we're looking at there is a heat map, and that's used to show the severity of cases in different parts of South Africa. Below that, we've got a daily case increase and decrease. That shows the daily cases relative to 24 hours and the last 7 days from the latest date on the date filter. Design tip number 2 is adding a reset button in your reports or dashboard. Users don't usually know what they're doing when they're playing around with filters and stuff, and they would want the option to go back to default. This helps with that. Design tip number 3 is adding cards or quick statistics at the top of the dashboard so it can be better related to the visuals below. Design tip number 4 is adding tooltips to your visuals. For instance, this tooltip here, around 23,000 people were reported having coronavirus, but only around 1,400 people were hospitalized or came to hospital. This was around the time of Omicron or the 4th wave, and there was a feeling that even if you did get COVID, you probably weren't gonna die. Tooltip number 5 is using color strategically. Now this is a dashboard that I did for Caprisa, and as you can see with the red and the white, I've used it strategically to actually represent the company.
Created using Powtoon.